They say God is good. God is good all the time. I don't even think they need to be said anymore. It's just a known fact, you heard? God is so good, I had to get on this remix one time. You already know the vibes. Church of the Wild, never going out of style. Bow!
God is good, I rap it well because I understood that he snatched me out of that dark life, gave a good wife, and now we out the hood. I remember times when I didn't rhyme, chose to live in crime. I was pitching dimes, sipping wine like everything was fine, living carefree, I thought the world was mine, but pride was lurking at the surface. I got caught up working in the circus, and it was going down. I had to be a clown, I didn't know my life had a purpose. Can you hear me now? No service. You couldn't tell me nothing about a service. I didn't have a clue about worship. Talk about blood bought, what's the purchase? Redemption came with them big receipts, but you can't return what he sent to me. And my life changed to a symphony. This is what we sang to the enemy.
God is good, I delight myself in him, that's how I know. God is good, I ain't worried about a thing, I trust the Lord. Yeah, ain't he good? Ain't he good? Yeah, ain't he good? Ain't he good? Yeah, ain't he good?
God is good.
Jeez, God bless me like a sneeze. Now I'm flying to Atlanta for the week. But when everything starts to sink in, I'm counting up my blessings. The enemy be creeping, I count it as a blessing. Yeah, you know I peep him, lurking from the sidelines, but that's where I leave him. See, my angels like the beehive. Enemy on my trail, well, they'll kick his behind. See, I'm trying to live out my purpose. So if you ain't aligned, then I probably won't notice. All I know is God is good, I delight myself in him, that's how I know. God is good, I ain't worried about a thing, I trust the Lord. Yeah, ain't he good? Yeah, ain't he good? Yeah, ain't he good? God is, they like where she come from. I don't even know her. I'm just leading by example. That's just how the Lord works. Cause when you put the Lord first, he'll order all your steps. He'll focus on your heart while some focus on your past. But when my way is dim, he's a light unto my path. And I'm just like, when I do the math, I'm just counting up the good things on the way. Told the devil not today. New mercies every day. Yeah, my blessings on the way.
Cameras rolling. Even if y'all do like do a poll, I mean, cameras rolling if you want to use. All right, let's roll it again.